So, guys, today I want to share one topic with you people. ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ನೆಸ್. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆನೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹತ್ರ. ಲೈಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಜನ. ಇಫ್ ನೀವೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊ, ನೀವೇನೂ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಓಕೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಮಾತು ಕೇಳಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರೇನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹ್ಞೂ ಹ್ಞೂ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ. ನೀವೇನೇ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ರೂ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಶುರು ಆಗೋದು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಅವರು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೂ. ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒಂದು, ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇದು ಏನೋ ಬಾಯಿ ಮಾತಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್. Actually from college to now I'm alone only, not like that ki much friends something, but even we actually need to know about our capability, right? So then we need to go alone. Actually we need to find our way, then we need to go alone. It is very important. Simply unnecessarily, you know, uh, this much of this much of this much. And one more thing guys, very important. uh, of course sometimes required, if like which type of friends. So if they are providing you a knowledge and they are supporting you, then okay, no, there is no fault. But when they are pulling your leg, kidding, immediately avoid, immediately, within a second. Because with me it happens. So now those are who are avoided me calling me, because every day I'm active, right? But I'm just saying 5 minutes, 5 minutes, I have a work, I will call you later. So I want to tell you one thing, the very important. um, Nowadays, and these are days, is don't believe anyone. Don't believe. Even if you want to talk, if you want to share, you need to think first of all what I'm sharing, what I'm talking. It's very competitive world, competitive society, and each and everything you are thinking, actually it is with me, it's all happens naturally. We are talking, we are sharing, but in their mind, in their soul, it's a different activities going on. So because of that reason, I am telling to you people, if you people are talking also, need to think what you are talking, what you are sharing. This is football, right? What it is? Football. So why we are using this playing, right? And how we are playing this football, we are kicking this by the our leg, right? By our leg. So nowadays, like that type in society, after knowing the people about you completely, if you are closing them, if you are sharing everything about what you are, what you're going to do, what's your personal, what's your future plans, everything, they're understanding what you are, what's your personality. The people nowadays doing that only. So after knowing yourself completely, like whoever, I'm not calling nowadays any friends, nothing, right? Other persons, unknown persons, whatever, they are starting to play with you like a football, right? So don't create yourself, don't make yourself as a football, right? So I think you understood. So create yourself strong personality, and whatever you want to talk, very carefully, and be secret in yourself, about yourself, before talking. need to think.